My name is Opoka Charles, Wellbron. I do fabrication. Actually, I'm now retired. So I want to help my young brothers for more skill which I have. That's why I volunteer myself to give them the skill I have. I'm so happy with Mzee John too much because of this program. This program, when you learn and get skill, you can do your own things. So when I teach my children, it will become very easy for them to create a job or to get a job. They cannot be idle. So this program is really very, very, very wonderful. That's why I volunteer to train them and teach them what to do.